Hi, I thought I'd post this workaround for anyone else that is stuck looking for a TH61 Tradco key, which are now no longer available for the Tradco mortice locks, according to the supplier here in Australia. I don't know whether we're a family of superhumans or whatever, but we ended up breaking the second of our keys, and I rang around trying to find another one and didn't have any success. And rang the distributor here in Australia, and they said that the highest they go up to now is the 59, and this is the TH61, as you can see, which is the one for our lock. After doing a bit of online research, I found that the 52 key is very, very similar, except that it doesn't have the two outer notches, and that's off the current 1133 lock. And these are readily available, and I thought I'd give it a go, and if I needed to, I'd just cut out the two outside notches there. But it turns out that the key fits the 3-lever lock as it is without needing to cut anything. So you can use these in the older style mortice locks.